First you wash your hands. Then you turn on the stove. Then you put your water in a bowl. And then you put it on the stove to boil. And then you put the piggy and the birdie in there. Stuff it in there. And then you add the veggies.
Add the vegetables.
Good. Then you stir it with the stir stick.
Don't forget to set the timer.
Oh yeah, and then you set the timer. And then there's I don't have holes, so you gotta eat it out of this. Now it's done. You turn off the stove.
Yum, yum, yum.